In the workshop hums the printer, quiet at the start. Filament draws its lines, green, purple, black and art. From nothing takes shape a hero made of PLA. In multicolor armor, yeah, he's here to stay. Muscles from the bed like steel, bold and tight, with torn up pants, classic purple or your custom delight. But what's his mission? Why this pose so bold? He holds my smartphone strong, secure control. Styles, whichever feels right. Silk green was first, then the multicolor hue, thanks to crazy 3D. Your hero straight and true. The second print, it turned out wild. Multicolor mode, green arms thick and styled. But even single color gets the job done right. Guardian of my screen with a monster bite. He stands like a rock, focused through the day. Phone in his hands in a meditated way. No wobble, no slip, fits even, case is thick. Hulk on duty with a 3D printed kick. Hulk holds my phone with mighty might, printed into styles, whichever feels right. Silk green was first, then the rainbow hue, thanks to crazy 3D. Your hero straight and true. Case or cable, Hulk won't mind. Single color or multicolor kind. STL's ready, G-code's tight. The printer sings and Hulk takes flight. Hulk holds now your phone with mighty might, printed in the style, whichever you like. Whether green, blue, gold, or multicolored, you decide. Thanks to crazy 3D, your design is not